Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your screenshots on Steam. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is that you want to log in into your Steam app and click here on Steam on the top left. And from here, click on settings. And now what you want to do is that you want to find a screenshot right here. So you want to click here on in-game. And then from here, you should now see your screenshot when you scroll down. As you can see here, screenshots. So you can take a screenshot using this key. And then when a screenshot is taken, you can uh, basically add these settings right here. So let's say I'm just going to take a screenshot right here right there, and now I'm gonna go to that folder. So basically I'm gonna click here on save an external copy of my screenshot, and you can click here on change folder, and this is where you can see your folder right here and see where you would want it to be located. So in my case, I'll just say go for desktop right here and just rename this to Steam screenshots. Select folder right here, or it doesn't exist, so I'm just gonna go and create a new folder, screenshot folder for Steam right there, and there it is. So now I'm gonna select that folder right there, and all of my screenshots now that I will be taking here in Steam will be put in that folder. So now I can just save this, and then now I'm gonna go into that folder, so it's in my desktop, right? So I'm gonna go there and go into desktop, and then I should have it right here. And yeah, that is how basically you want to do it. So this is where you can see your folder on Steam if you have already set up your location, or this is where you can set up your location if you haven't already. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.